Okay, good morning students. So today we are going to learn one more problem from similar triangles. Okay, let's see what is the problem. ABC is a right angle at C. Let BC is equals to A, CA equals to B, AB is equals to C. And let P be the length of the perpendicular from C on AB. We need to prove first one PC is equals to AB and second one 1 by P square equals to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. So to solve this, first we need to draw the triangle. First we need to draw the ABC triangle and we should be assured that the right angle should be at C only. So we'll draw the triangle. Okay. First we draw the right angle triangle. Then as given in the problem, we need to take C as right angle. As right angle, right? So here C, it means here A, here B, here C, right? As we know in the problem, that is BC is equals to A. BC is equals to A. The length of the BC is A and CA will be BC. Where is CA, right? The length of the CA is equals to B. And one more, AB is equals to C. The length of this AB will be C itself. C, small c here. Right? And one more thing what is given, let P be the length of the perpendicular from C on AB. We need to draw the P, right? What is P? Perpendicular from C on AB. ఈ సి అనే పాయింట్ నుంచి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గీయమంటున్నాడు ఎక్కడికి ఏబికి, రైట్? సో దిస్ విల్ బి ద పి, రైట్? ఇది పి అనమాట, రైట్? ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంటుంది మళ్ళీ? రైట్ యాంగిల్, బికాస్ హీ సెడ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్, రైట్? ఓకే. సో టు సాల్వ్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ వాట్ హియర్ వీ నీడ్ టు ప్రూవ్ పీసీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏబి, రైట్? ఓకే. ఫస్ట్ టు ప్రూవ్ పీసీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏబి, వీ షుడ్ నో దాట్ what is area of triangle? What is formula for area of triangle? We know that area of triangle is equals to half into base into height, right? Half into base into height, right? Okay, now I am taking the area of triangle ABC. As you can see here, ABC is a right angle triangle, right? So now I am going to find out the area of this ABC triangle. As we know, half into base into height. Now I am looking this triangle in this direction. If I see this triangle in this direction, the base will be AB, right? The base will be AB and the height will be this one. This one. If I put here point D, the CD will be the height and AB will be the base, right? So here half into base. What is base? As I said, AB is the base. AB into what is height? The CD will be the height. Okay. 1 by 2 into what is the length of AB? AB length ఏంటి ఇక్కడ మనకు తెలుసు ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏంటి? హాఫ్ ఇంటూ బేస్ ఇంటూ హైట్. నేను ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ని ఇటువైపు నుంచి చూసినప్పుడు ఈ ఏబి అనేది బేస్ అవుతుంది, సిడి అనేది హైట్ అవుతుంది. సో నేనేం తీసుకున్నా ఇక్కడ? బేస్ అంటే ఏబి తీసుకున్నా, హైట్ అంటే సిడి తీసుకున్నా. ఏబి ఇంటూ సిడి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఏబి? ఏబి అంటే ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ మనకి? యాక్చువల్గా స్మాల్ సి, రైట్? స్మాల్ సి హియర్, రైట్? అండ్ సిడి ఏంటి మనకి? సిడి అనేది పి అవుతుంది. సిడి అనేది ఏమవుతుంది? పి అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం రాయొచ్చు? హాఫ్ ఇంటూ సిపి. సో కన్సిడర్ ఇట్ యాజ్ 1. Now again I am finding the area of triangle ABC. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ ఏమో ఇది బేస్ తీసుకో. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇట్లా ఎలా ఉందో అలాగే చూడండి. యూ సే యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ద బేస్ విల్ బి బీసీ హియర్, రైట్? The base will be BC and the height will be AC. So I am taking here half into what is BC? Sorry, what is base? Base. Here base into height, right? So half into what is base? BC is a base. Into what is height? AC is a height, right? Okay, now half into what is BC value? What is the length of BC here? We know that A. Here A into what is AC value? What is the length of the AC? This is B, right? It is B. So it is half into AB. Consider it as 2. If you see here, this is area of triangle ABC. This is also area of triangle ABC. Both are same, right? So I am equating 1 is equals to 2 here. So here we know that half into CP is equals to half into AB. This half get cancelled, right? CP is equals to AB. Hence we proved that is CP is nothing but PC is equals to AB. Hence we proved the first one. From this first one we can write C is equals to AB by P. Remember this for the next second problem. Okay, what the second problem? 1 by P square is equals to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Right, as we draw the triangle once again. Here we have the triangle ABC, right? And the perpendicular here from this is P, this is D, right? Right. Okay. Okay, as we know, this is the length is A, here the length is B, here the length is C, right? Okay. Now I am taking the triangle here, right? As we know, Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square, right? So here what is the hypotenuse? The AB will be the hypotenuse. Okay, what is hypotenuse here? This AB is the hypotenuse. So AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. As this is one side and this is other, AC square plus BC square here, right? Okay. What is AB? The length of AB is what here? We know that is C, right? C square is equals to what is AC? That is B square plus what is BC? The length of the BC is what here? A, right? A square. As we know in the previous problem, C is equals to AB by P. So I am taking the same one, that is C is equals to AB by P, right? Okay. So AB by P whole square is equals to B square plus A square, right? Here I'll write AB square is equal AB square by P square is equals to B square plus A square, right? Now I am taking this numerator to this side. When this comes to this side, when this transposed to the right side, it will become the denominator. So if it goes to the right side, the remaining will be only 1. 1 by P square is equals to B square plus A square by AB square, right? So 1 by P square is equals to, here I am separating the denominator with each term, right? ఈ డినామినేటర్ని ప్రతి టర్మ్కి విడివిడిగా రాద్దాం. B square by A square B square plus A square by A square B square. ఇప్పుడు స్క్వేర్ అనేది రెండింటికి కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ ఇట్ A square and B square, right? B square get cancelled and A square will be cancelled. So 1 by P square is equals to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Hence proved the second one also. Practice it and post in the group.